I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound.
Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. आज हम लोग जो cover कर रहे हैं, that's like I can totally say Scarborough का halal scene, और it's pretty crazy. Like in one strip mall, like there are so many things. So आज we just gonna cover the whole strip mall. There is Chai Wala, the Burger Alley, and Cluck Clucks. And then for dosa, I've heard really good things about Minerva Tiffin. So yeah, so are we gonna be taking each and everything from one of the fast food, and we're gonna be trying out that and taking back home. Obviously, like multiple चीज़ें try करनी है, तो dine in का scene नहीं हो सकता. So this is the Burger Alley. There's Burger Factory. There's Coco, Cluck Clucks. This whole strip mall is buzzing. Like यहाँ पे scene ये this chai wala for nashta and chai. Like this is heaven for the foodies. Like and the halal food scene is really strong in Scarborough right now. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले Burger Alley जाएंगे, यहाँ से अपना burger order करेंगे, फिर वहाँ से हम लोग Cluck Clucks जाएंगे. Then we're gonna go to Minerva Tiffin, and then in the end we're gonna go to Chai Wala to get some kadak chai. Alright guys, so Sara food pickup कर लिया है, like our sandwich, our burger from the alley, Cluck Clucks se sandwich, and Minerva se dosa, right? And chai wala se chai, we've already started drinking that, so it's pretty good. So let's get back to home, and then right away we're gonna do the test. Alright guys, so we are back to our house, and the food looks so good. I have just like opened it up a little bit. So this we have like the garlic mayo fries with the Burger Alley, the burger. We also got the dosa. So we have like peanut sauce, tomato, like the peanut sauce, sambar, and the coconut chutney. So these are the chutneys, and if you can see, look at this, the garlic mayo fries. The garlic mayo fries, so really good. So I don't know where to start from. So let's start with the Cluck Clucks, like the waffle sandwich. So, and this is also our dosa. So we're gonna open dosa in a bit. So yeah, so it's like kind of Western, kind of South Indian food. Like, so मैंने मिनवेरा टिफिन का काफ़ी सुना था. It was a good feedback. Reviews were really good on Google reviews. So I wanted to get it. Obviously next time I want to sit and try there. Recommended dosa यही है कि वहाँ बैठ के खाएं. But obviously with the small kids we have to head back. So but today really good stuff. So we're gonna be starting with Cluck Clucks waffle chicken sandwich, and this one is the classic, like the classic sandwich. So let me just show you like what is this beast. So look at this. Yeah, so you have to put a toothpick to hold this thing together. So this is the waffle sandwich, really good, crispy, crunchy. Then they have like their own sauce, mayo aioli, and then the chicken pieces, and then the coleslaw. And it looks so lush. I have tried their downtown location, but not the Scarborough one. But like as we saw that I जैसे ही मुझे देखा तो मैंने सोचा एक अच्छा एडिशन होगा, like a waffle sandwich would be different, and it's halal and it's very good. Like, so it's already dripping, so let's go ahead and give it a try. I know that it's way too big. Coleslaw really crunchy, Chicken so juicy. Let me get another proper chicken bite. Trust me, so good. There's a sweet and a spicy kick to it. Coleslaw है, chicken pieces हैं, crunchy है, mayo है, chip, spicy aioli है. Like look at this, and it's not skimmed out on chicken. 2 pieces of boneless, very good juicy marinated chicken, and it's just doing wonders. Let's dig into the burger alley, the denominator, I don't know, but they're the Nashville chicken one. They also have like double the Nashville chicken. I can't even tell you, like the size of this thing. It's huge. Let me just try to dig it out. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at the size of this thing. Like, oh my god. Look at this. This is the demo. Oh my god. And the mayo is dripping all over the place. Look at this. Look at the jalapenos. This is the size of my face, bro. And my face is not small, I'm telling you. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this beauty. Wow. Let me just try to cut it into 2 pieces. It's way. So we were able to do that. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess let's give it a try before it collapsed. So I'm just like, look at it. I even never tried that. All right. I'm legit not kidding you guys. This is one of the best thing I have eaten. It's falling all over the place, but it's so good. It's so juicy, so flavorful. The chicken is still crunchy. You can feel that Nashville chicken, like the rub on the top and its mayonnaise. You can feel everything. My burger just got deconstructed by itself, but trust me, it's so good. Oh, before we move to South Indian food, oh, garlic mayo fries. This is one of the things where back at home in Pakistan, when the garlic mayo came in, they introduced in the roll, in the fries, everything was garlic mayo, and the flavor always goes so good. So this bring back memories definitely. Cheese fries or garlic mayo fries. So let's try that. That's why when I saw that in the option, the alley fries, I got for that. So let's try, give it a try. And mayo and like a little bit of like spicy sauce. Oh my god. Oh, this alone, this snack is worth it to go. Oh my god, how I haven't tried Burger Alley before, man. Don't get me wrong, there are some nice other burger places, but this, what they're trying to do is legit like how fast food is served back home. So bring back kind of a memory, like how the garlic mayo is made and then put it on the fries with the red masala on it, the spicy masala. It's out of this world. Alright guys, look at this, how crispy it is. So the guy recommended me, like, if you're, and that's the best thing about them, right? Like, they were honest up front that if you're taking home and if you're eating after 25 minutes, they won't recommend. It won't be that crispy, it won't be that good. So like, we brought this home, and then it's a little bit not like obviously the condition you wanted there, but like the filling looks good. You can see like how the potato is in there, and it's a big, like, for $8.50, it's like really 3 slices of it, and then the way they have cut it, it's super dope. It's still crispy a bit, and these are the sauces. So what I usually do, like, I don't know, like, people will agree with me or not, so I dip a little bit of all three together, mix it them, and then have a go with it. So this, and then a little bit of this, and obviously sambar. So I'm gonna mix the sambar with this. Okay, so I've heard a lot about this place. A lot of people have covered it, Block TO and stuff, but let's see, let's dig it in. You know, again, like, it was just because there, but I would love to try it while sitting there. So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna just make like a bite like this, potato pancake, and then I'm gonna give it a go with the chutney, mix all three of them. Still so good. Like, obviously it's not that crispier, but the dough, the potato, and the masala, and the ghee on the top is the key. So look at this. And I have seen dosa where I'm brought up, like in Karachi, like there was a dosa stand, the oldest dosa stand, but I never eat it from there. When I moved here, then I saw like this crispy thing, and then I got into love with this. Now I want to try everywhere. Like, basically, like, I tried this for the first time in Montreal, like, properly, and then that place got me in love. And then since that day, I'm like trying the dosa scene all over the place, and I figured out like some of the best dosa places in Toronto and GTA. So I've heard about this one a lot, and that's why, like, so good. The potato filling on point, the crispiness on point, everything so good, super good. They also, guy recommended me to get these rice flour balls. I don't remember the name, Punglum, but trust me, this is so good. Look at this. This is a fried dough. So soft. There's a green chili in it. And he was right about it. The one order was like 16 balls, and I was like, I don't want that one. He said that we have the portions like that, and I can't give you, but trust me, once you start eating, you'll want more. Usually when I'm shooting, I just take a couple of bites and I eat it properly after, but trust me, there's no single space in my body to have that, inhale that food. So guys, that's how crazy the food scene is in Scarborough, Mississauga, Toronto, and GTA. People love it. It was Saturday night, people were going out, every place was filled. Uber Eats, all the delivery apps, like, people were running in, it was a chaos. And then you can tell the places like that it was buzzing. Even the chai wala's chai, everything was on point. And like, you're gonna keep trying this kind of food, so kindly please subscribe, comment, like, and share as much as possible. And until next video, Khuda Hafiz, bye bye, and be safe out there. And yeah, so goodbye.